my sister. Where's Chippy? That's all my friends. He's got your GoPro. My GoPro.
What's he doing?
What's he doing with my GoPro?
I think he's taking an Elfie.
Chippy's a cheeky elf.
Oh, just look at Pikachu.
Oh.
Who's your favourite?
Barbara. And Chippy.
I'm Chippy, of course. Right, you looking for number 7?
There!
See, you said they made it really easy, didn't they?
I'm about to fall. It has a number 1, Thomas. Thomas! Thomas! He's a zebra! He's number 1, he has number again.
Number 1. Yay, that's quick. Can you get it?
Kinder! I like sitting with kinders. Dear yummy in my tummy! Yummy in my tummy! Yummy in my tummy! Yummy. Number 7.
Can you get number 7?
Oh, that's number 7! Alright, guys. Oh, that's the one! Let's go on with the chocolate!
What is it?
Dragon.
A dragon? It's a horse.
A horse!
Dragon.
Doodle, doodle, doodle. Donkey Paws, stay away by Donkey Paws and Donkey Paws. No rocks and stones. Never mind. Donkey Paws and all day will
Santa's Busy Night. And it's a finger puppet fun. Does that sound cool? Yeah.
My screwing up now.
So what happens is you put your finger through here and Santa's here. Okay? If you open to the first page. It says, it's Christmas Eve and the presents are nearly finished. What?
Best toys everywhere.
I know there's toys everywhere. Mrs. Claus peeks through the window of Santa's workshop. Now you have time to help me, Santa, she says. Oh, she's there, Mrs. Claus. The mess that he's made a big mess, hasn't he?
You mean Santa Claus?
Yes, Santa Claus. Then it says, Mrs. Claus asks Santa to ice the Christmas cake. But Santa squirts icing everywhere. Splurt! Try doing something less splodgy, says Mrs. Claus. Goodness, dear.
No, again.
Not again, no. Mrs. Claus asks Santa to put up the decorations. But Santa gets a tinsel all tied up. Try doing something less tangly, says Mrs. Claus, under a pile of tinsel. Look at her, she's all tangled up.
Oh no.
Look at Santa Claus. Daft Santa. Stretch up and put the star on top of the Christmas tree, says Mrs. Claus. But Santa loses his balance and crash goes the tree as it topples against the wall and falls on the floor. Oh dear.
And Mrs. Claus says bad.
She's like, oh no. Best one. Never mind, Santa, says Mrs. Claus. You just deliver the Christmas presents. I know you will be brilliant at that. Ho, 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 cries Santa. Merry Christmas. Was that a cool story, Tristan?
Yes.
Mhm.